In vitro fertilization helps infertile couples overcome barriers that prevent them from conceiving. In this procedure, the woman receives injections of hormones for about 10 days to stimulate her ovaries to produce a large number of mature eggs. In a normal month, a single egg might mature, but with these supplemental hormones, a woman might produce as many as 20 mature eggs. Doctors can collect the mature eggs through a small incision in the woman's abdomen or by a needle that is inserted through the top of the vagina. The eggs are drawn out of the ovaries and placed in a tube containing culture medium. The male provides a semen sample. Approximately 60,000 of his sperm are added to the tube. On average, the sperm succeed in fertilizing 70 to 80% of the eggs. The glass tube or dish gives this procedure its name. Translated from Latin, in vitro means in glass. If the sperm have trouble swimming to the eggs, another development in the procedure can remove this barrier. Working with the aid of a microscope, a technician can give the sperm some help by injecting a single sperm into the cytoplasm of each egg. This procedure is called intracytoplasmic sperm injection. After 2 days, the fertilized eggs have divided to form multicellular embryos. 2 to 3 of the healthy-looking embryos are then placed into the uterus of the female. In 50% of these attempts, in vitro fertilization leads to pregnancy. A single embryo may progress to a full-term pregnancy, but there is also a chance that a few will survive, resulting in twins or triplets.